So welcome to Rise to Greatness, and here in this yellow bag, let's see what we got. Voila! Wow, it is a Galaxy A15. Galaxy A15, and as you can see, this particular one comes in blue color. Usually it comes in blue, it comes in black, and it also comes in white or off-white. And right here you can see it's a Galaxy A15 in this cute little box, and also you can see that it comes in blue, and at the same time it has 8 gig to 56 gigabyte storage, 8 gig RAM and 256 gigabyte storage. So let's delve right into it and see. Once you open it in this sleek smart box, you have two major compartments. First off, you have the pack that contains only it has a manual, and it has right here the well packed type C to type C cord or cable for charging. And you see, this is just different from the usual Samsung cables or chargers that will come as type C to USB. So this is type C to type C. And apart from that, also what you need to note is that this particular set of phones do not come with adapters, so you got to get your own adapter to it. So let's go right to see what we have next. Right here also you have the pin for you to unlock the SIM tray, and voila, here is the sleek, lovely off-white Samsung phone that we have right here. And if you go right into it, we can therefore go ahead to switch it on from the power button that we have right here. And you have also the power down, have the button up and the button down right here again. Also, do not forget that you have the quick start guide or the manual embedded in the pack as well, so you can flip through these. It comes in English language, it comes also in French, and also you can find other languages like Arabic right in here. You have the Arabic, just right in here. So it's a Samsung quick start guide right there for you. And let's go ahead to power up our Samsung A15. You press down the on button and then it comes on. And note also that this one, or it's advised also that you can buy for yourself a screen cover or a screen protector, a good one, and of course a pouch if you like to carry one on your phones to avoid your phones getting scratched. So yeah, you can see the 3 cameras. Let's see as it powers on. Let's wait for it to power on. Remember also you have your charging port here, the type C charging port, the mic, and your jack, input jack for the earpiece. You have that right there. What other things do you have? You have your SIM tray here where you can actually, with SIM pin, you can actually go ahead here you put in this, you press it holding down, and you can draw out the SIM tray from there. But you can see this is actually, it's been opened and with SIM cards inside. But not what you should also note is that the design of the Samsung is such that though it is double SIM card, but you will need to load your SIM cards at the same time without a memory card. And if you were to use a memory card, it's a sort of hybrid. You have to use a memory card on SIM 1, on SIM 2, and a good SIM on SIM 1. So what it means is that you can only use a SIM card and a memory card at the same time, or you use your two SIM cards without a memory card. So that's what it means. So here I already have my pattern embedded in it, and I'm going to show you that. So right here, after unlocking, you can go through to find all your apps, and while you also install other apps there. So as you can see, I've started installing some of my apps, and you have the Google Play Store where you can download more apps. So I already started. It also comes with very good camera features where I started, already taking some pictures with my kids. So if you're looking to get on a phone that's big on storage, so welcome once again. And I need to say here also that this is actually my very first unboxing video or tech gadget unboxing, and I would like to know what you think about this in the comments. This is a Samsung Galaxy A15. It's one of Samsung's newest products currently in 2024. As you can see, we will be going through look at the terms and condition here. It says NC approved, Samsung Electronics, available storage capacity is subject to preloaded software. For more information on your device, please visit www.samsung.com. Printed images may differ from the actual product. Travel adapter sold separately. So it just means that you might need to get your own travel adapter, that is your plug, separately. So this is why I had to shop for an adapter separately. You can see I had to get a 25 watts Samsung type C to C adapter. So when you are getting this, you need to also get this separately. So remember that this particular product comes with a 50 megapixel 6 gig RAM. Actually it's an 8 gig RAM and 256 gig storage capacity. So let's go right into it. As you can see, this is the blue color. You can see it right here, and just right about here. You can see right here. This is the light blue. The blue actually is light blue, and it comes in 3 distinct colors: the light blue, the light blue, the off-white, and then also the blue black color, which is like a dark color but not totally dark. And here is where you have the cable as a type C charging cable. It does not come with the travel adapter, so you have to buy this separately, which I had to get this separately from a Samsung shop or a phone shop, just ask for a Samsung adapter. Alright, so you have the pin here, and virtually this is everything you got under this. Good. Alright. So just have to yank this out then. Okay. You can see. Make sure you get Type-C adapter to Type-C. Okay. Comes with a cable, but not without. Comes with a cable, but without the adapter. So let me know what you think about this.